Fox Carolina First Alert Weather Day update.
Well, we are tracking the latest on our local radar as well as in the tropics as we've got first alert weather days coming Thursday, Friday as heavy widespread rain is expected. But here's what we have going on right now with the heat, and we've got a frontal boundary working its way in. So it's bringing some downpours into Transylvania County, Rabun County, not making a lot of progress into the upstate, but a quick shower near Walhalla currently. And we'll still have a chance of rain through the evening and into tomorrow morning, some leftover clouds. So we'll start off with the clouds early, temperatures in the 70s in the afternoon. Expect those 80s to even close to 90. It's our really last hot day as we'll start to back that off with extra clouds into middle of the week and a chance for some late day showers and storms. But a more widespread threat of rain comes as we track the tropics and what's going to be Helene. Helene is expected to move through the Gulf of Mexico and ultimately make it close to us. So let's track the latest as it gets into the Gulf. It's going to likely become a Category 2 hurricane. So I kind of sped this up to show you when it's going to be impacting Florida, which will likely be late Thursday with a landfall somewhere near the Big Bend region over toward the Panhandle. And then here's the latest track showing it as a tropical storm potentially moving right over us. And this is going to be Friday morning. Then luckily it moves off so that by the weekend we're seeing things improve quite a bit. I want to show you the spaghetti plots. Each line indicates a different computer model. And I will say this, they're trying to nudge a little closer to our area, which means that we could have that center of circulation very, very close. But you can just see the agreement's pretty good with landfall in Florida and then just spreads out a bit. But each of these lines indicates a different solution, a different thing that could happen. And all of them would affect us in a pretty big way. So here we go hour by hour with the rain, stopping it Friday morning. This is when the heaviest is expected to get here. And again, things can certainly change. And when we know, you'll know. We'll give you that first alert. But that's why we have first alert weather days for Thursday, Friday. Could even have a tornado threat associated with this, depending on how close we are to that center. Moves north through Friday morning so that by Saturday morning, we should be mostly dry. Wind will also be a big story too. Notice how the winds kick up. These are gusts. We could see them anywhere from 40 to 50 miles an hour Friday morning before conditions get better. So strong wind, heavy rain, and that's why we've issued first alert weather days. The worst of it will be Friday, but Thursday leading up, I certainly think the conditions will begin to go downhill. Wind will pick up, rain will pick up, but Friday morning is when it all peaks. Into this weekend, only small rain chances on the way, and we'll continue to keep small rain chances into next week. So the main show looks to be late Thursday into Friday with this tropical system that has yet to be named, but when it is, it will be called Helene. Now let's